कितेंय ना जाल्यार सरकाराक बोट दाखयलें, फेसबुकार गेले, 2 तोमडे मारले सरकाराचेर आनी म्हणलें की हें जायना, सरकार कांयच करना. ताजेर मागीर वेरियस पोस्ट आसतात आनी तातूंत जे कोण UK आनी US आनी खंय लंडन आनी खंय कुवेट आनी बशिल्ले आसा पळय, who have lost that love for Goa, seem to be commenting more than the Goans themselves. Social media is also a tool for positivity, and I would say that the responsibility of the government is always there, but the responsibility of the public is equally there to ensure to achieve something that Goa is looking for. As a Minister for Revenue and IT, I have already started getting things using technology, how to systemize things, how to do ease of business, how to simplify procedures for a common man. This is something which I have taken. From the IT sector, I have taken a challenge not only to look at startup. It is a time where our people shouldn't be only looking at government jobs and not as job seekers. We should be coming into this phase of job givers.
भुरग्यांक शिक्षणा बरोबर व्हॅल्यू एज्युकेशनय दिवचे म्हूण कार्यावळी फॉरेस्टाचो परेश परब उलयलो.
I should talk to you about value education. It is not the responsibility of the government to do it. It is the responsibility of the parents, teachers to get this value education in the system so that we have better citizens, aware citizens and responsible persons.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओंकार फळारी.